What if I told you that running ads could either scale your business to 7 figures or bankrupt it faster than you can say boost post? I've seen it happen on both ends because I've done both. So today, I'm giving you the real truth, when you should run ads, when you should absolutely not, and how to know the difference before you waste a single dollar. This isn't theory. I've spent over $1 million on ads, my own and for clients, and I built a 7-figure business, not just by running ads, but by doing it the right way. Let's dive in. Hey, I'm Allie Bloyd. I'm a 7-figure entrepreneur, mom, marketing strategist, and the creator of Online Profits AI, my mentorship for business owners who want to grow with smart systems, automation, and yes, profitable ads. But it didn't start there. When I first started running ads in 2015, I thought ads were the magic button. I had a great offer, at least I thought it was great, and I just needed people to see it. So I spent money without tracking, without a system, and with zero clue what was working, and I wasted thousands. But here's what I learned. Ads don't create demand, they just amplify what's already working. Let's talk about how to get it right. Are you really ready for paid ads? So the first question to ask is, are you actually ready to run ads, or are you hoping they'll fix your business? Because ads are not a magic fix. They're fuel. And if your funnel is broken, adding fuel only makes it burn faster. Here's a quick checklist. 1, do you have a validated offer? This means people have bought it before. You've sold it organically or through referrals. You've delivered it successfully. If the answer is no, ads are premature. When I launched my very first course, I thought I was ready for ads. I skipped validation, didn't build a warm audience, didn't even test my messaging. I spent $1,500 and made $97. That $97 came from someone I knew personally. That should have been the clue. What I learned, validate with organic content first. Inside Online Profits AI, I teach my members to build with live video, reels, Facebook group posts, and email lists before turning on the ad faucet. Second, do you have your systems built? You need a working funnel. Landing page, thank you page, email automation, a way to follow up, email plus SMS plus retargeting. A clear conversion process, calendar booking, purchase, etc. Ads without a follow-up system are like catching rain in a spaghetti strainer. Example, one of my clients was running ads to a landing page with no thank you page, no follow-up, and no offer. They were shocked they had 200 leads and 0 sales. Once we installed a nurturing system, optimized their offer page, and trained their sales rep, they closed 8 clients from the same ad. That's the difference. What ads can do if you're ready. If your systems are solid, ads become a game changer. Here's what ads are great for. First, speed. Organic takes time. If you need cash flow quickly or want to grow fast, ads let you compress time. When I launched the $37 AI Masterclass funnel, I used Facebook and Instagram ads to generate over 1,500 buyers in 14 days. That also added over 12,000 new leads to our list and fed into our higher ticket programs. 2, predictability. With a working ad funnel, I can tell you how much a lead will cost, how many leads it takes to make a sale, how to scale profitably. Once you hit that level of predictability, business stops feeling like guessing. Mini framework, $10 per day, 5 leads, 1 sale return on ad spend. Positive. Now imagine $100 per day, same math, just bigger scale. That's how we help members inside Online Profits AI go from 5K months to 30K months without changing their product, just by fixing their system and adding paid traffic. Third, control. Organic reach is unreliable. Algorithms change. Ads put you in control of your pipeline. Want more calls next week? Increase budget, duplicate a winning ad, run a flash campaign. You don't wait, you execute. When you should not run ads yet, here are 3 signs to press pause. 1, you're tight on cash. Ads are not gambling, but they are testing. You need to be okay losing your first $500 to $1,000 as data. This is your tuition. Don't spend rent money on maybe. And if you can't afford to test, build with organic first. 2, you don't know your numbers. If you don't know what your lead cost, close rate, or sales cycle is, you can't make smart ad decisions without tracking your flying blind. Inside Online Profits AI, we train members on the 6 key metrics: CTR, click-through rate; CPL, cost per lead; CPA, cost per acquisition; ROAS, return on ad spend; sales call, close rate; funnel conversion rate. You don't need to be a data analyst, you just need a dashboard. 3, you don't have an irresistible offer. Even the best ads won't sell a boring, confusing, or generic offer. If your offer isn't crystal clear and outcome focused, fix that first. A bad offer with great ads equals no results. A great offer with decent ads equals sales. What makes an ad funnel work? Here's how I structure every ad campaign. Step 1, the right offer. Lead magnet, webinar, masterclass, or low-ticket product. It must solve a real problem. Be specific, not vague. Have urgency or curiosity built in. Step 2, a simple funnel. Add compelling hook, short video, direct CTA. Landing page focused on one action, no menu bar, no distractions. Thank you page video or next step CTA. Book a call, upsell, etc. Email and SMS nurture and follow up, minimum of 5 to 7 days post opt-in. Inside my AI business funnel, we use a $37 product as the front end, paired with an email and SMS sequence that auto pitches the core offer in the back end. Even if someone doesn't buy immediately, they stay in the pipeline and convert later. Step 3, add creative that stops the scroll. Video ads work best, especially if they're short, raw, and personal. You can film it on your phone. Use a simple framework. Here's the problem you're probably facing. Here's what I discovered that changed everything. Here's what you should do next. We've had ads filmed in the car or in the barn that beat out fancy studio footage. Real, greater than perfect. My personal ad mistakes, so you don't make them. I've made every mistake you can make with ads. Let me save you the pain. Mistake 1, running ads before you're ready. When I first went full-time in my business, I had a solid background in marketing, but I was building a brand new offer for a new audience in a new niche. Instead of building organically, I jumped into ads too fast. I wasted $2,000 in ad spend with nothing to show for it. After that, I went all in on value-based content, Facebook group trainings, live video, email. By the time I relaunched ads 90 days later, I already had a warm audience and a clear message and made over $60,000 in a single launch. Mistake 2, not testing creatives. I used to write a single version of an ad, turn it on, and hope for the best. Today, we test 3 to 5 variants of copy and creative. It takes 10 extra minutes and can double or triple your return. One ad with a single headline switch brought in 5x the leads with a lower cost. Mistake 3, not following up. This one hurt. We ran a successful challenge campaign that brought in 400 plus leads. I thought they'd all magically show up for the training and buy. Guess what? They didn't. Why? We had no automated reminder system, no replays, no SMS nudges. After that, I built a full nurture sequence with 3 to 5 emails per day during live launches. Our next challenge did $118,000 in revenue with a smaller ad budget. Follow-up makes the difference. What you should do now. If you're nodding along and thinking, okay, I might be ready, here's what I recommend. Start with one offer, either a free lead magnet, $37 low ticket, or VSL funnel with a book a call. Film a short video ad, use your phone, keep it real, make it personal. Use $20 to $50 per day to test. Split test audiences and creatives. Don't scale until you see conversions. Track your results. If you can't measure it, you can't improve it. Get your funnel metrics in order. Get help. If you want to save time, avoid mistakes, and get results faster. This is where I teach my full ad and automation playbook based on real-world results, not theory. You'll get high converting funnel templates, my exact ad campaigns, automation workflows, copywriting formulas, and live support to build and launch your ads confidently. So, should you run ads for your business? Yes, if you've got the right foundation, clear systems, and a plan, but only if you're ready to treat ads like a business tool, not a lottery ticket. If you want my help building that system, writing your first ad, and launching it the right way, or click the link in the description, I'll help you do it the smart way, and I'll see you there.